Did you know that 185,000 soldiers once vanished overnight without a trace? In 701 BC, the most powerful army in the world surrounded Jerusalem. King Sennacherib of Assyria had crushed every nation in his path. Babylon fell. Egypt surrendered. His war machine seemed unstoppable. Now only one small city stood between him and total victory: Jerusalem. Inside the walls, King Hezekiah and the prophet Isaiah did the only thing they could. They prayed. The Assyrians had perfected the art of war. Their siege engines could break any wall. Their archers darkened the sky with arrows. They had never lost a battle, ever. But something impossible happened that night. When dawn broke, the entire Assyrian army was gone. Not retreated, gone. Ancient records from multiple sources confirm it. Some say plagues struck them down. Others claim angels destroyed them. Whatever happened, Judaism survived. The Assyrian Empire began its collapse, and historians still have no idea what really destroyed 185,000 of the world's best soldiers in a single night.